everyone, let's start it with our subject science for class 6th. This is our chapter number 3, fiber to fabric, and this is our part 6. And this is going to be last part of this chapter. So, we are reading about fabrics, how fabrics are formed. Now, we are discussing about its history, how fabrics come and how old pupils used their used to make fabrics, how they make fabric. So in this video we are discussing about history of the fabric. So during Stone Age, human used any of the materials available in their surrounding, and in summer times they use leaves and grass. In winter times, as they feel cold, so to get rid of cold they wear animal skin or fur to keep themselves warm. So in this way they are managing themselves to keep hot, keep warm in winter season and keep cool in other seasons. Now, eventually, as human beings started agriculture, they learned to grow cotton. First of all, they learned how to grow cotton, and then they started growing it. Then, after growing cotton, they learned how to make cloth out of the cotton. So first of all they started to wear leaves or grass and then animals fur or their skin, and then they grow cotton and make cotton cloth out of it. Now early Indians cultivated cotton near the banks of Ganga. They used these to make cotton fabrics. They cultivated it near the banks of Ganga as they do not have any of the machine to water the plants. That's why they cultivated or planted their crops near the rivers or any water sources. In Egypt times, they grow another type of plant near the river Nile, and this plant is known as flax, was used to make fabric. So with the help of this plant they get fibers out of it and they make cloth out of it. So human beings wrapped these fabrics around their body as they did not know how to stitch fabric, as they did not know how to make good crops, good types of clothes out of it. So they just make long cloth and just wrap it around our bodies. Now, much later, means many years ago, after many years, as they invented a needle from animal bone and ivory, then they start sewing. Okay, so this is the needles they made out of the animal bone and ivory. So with the invention of sewing needle, they are able to stitch different kinds of cloth and they started wearing it. So there is a question in the lastly, what were some fabric used by human beings since ancient time? So since ancient times, which fabrics we are going to use on and on and on. So the fabric used since ancient times were cotton and flax. They used it and we also used it. So and we get these from natural way. So these are called natural fabrics and they derive from the plants. Okay, so this is the complete discussion about our chapter fiber to fabric, in which we are discussing about how we get fibers, how we make yarn out of it, how we made fabrics out of it and what is the history of the fabric. So thank you. Bye bye.